Visualization is the ability to create pictures in your mind from what you read or hear. Words are like an enforcer that creates mental images, and when this is done, understanding increases. Humans are visual creatures, and it is said that 65% of us in the world are visual learners. So when it comes to writing your vision or setting your goals, the best option is to use a visualization tool like a vision board. A vision board is a visualization tool that uses a board to build an artistic composition of words and pictures which represent your goals and dreams. With that said, here are 8 steps to creating a vision board. Step 1. Define your dreams. You need to know what your dreams and visions are in order to visualize them. This is where you write them down in a journal or a goal planner. Do you recall constantly seeing your company's vision and mission statements all over the building? The purpose of this is to embed in your mind what the company aims to accomplish and achieve as part of their overall business strategy. The same holds true for you. Write down your vision and dreams and goals. Step 2. Get a poster board. You can buy a poster board from any office supply store or home supply store. You can also use a cardboard box. Make sure it's a size big enough to fit your visualized goals. Step 3. Get pictures that represent your vision, dreams, or goals. Gather as much old magazines as possible to do this. Why magazines? Because the pictures are usually in color. Cut out those pictures and paste them on the vision board. Don't have any magazines? Then download your desired pictures from the internet and print them. Make sure the collage of your vision, dreams, and goals are neatly placed on the vision board. Avoid cluttering the board with too many pictures, which may cause confusion. Focus on those pictures that speak specifically to your vision. Step 4. Include inspirational and motivational words on your vision board. These are words that enforce your drive to achieve your goals, dreams, and vision. Ensure that these are positive and encouraging words. Make sure those words pop and stand out so you can notice them, even at a glance. Step 5. Place a recent picture of yourself in the middle of the vision board. That way, whenever you look at it, it's like looking in a mirror while speaking encouraging, positive words to yourself. Putting a picture of yourself on your vision board also places you directly in your dreams, goals, and vision. Step 6. Place your vision board in a common place that you would see often. The more you visualize your dreams, goals, and vision, the more you register them in your mind and also in your subconscious. Look at your vision board as often as possible. First thing in the morning is a great time, as well as just before going to bed. It is scientifically proven that whatever you put in your mind about 45 minutes before going to sleep, ultimately it is those images and visions that would be registered in your subconscious. Step 7. Hold your vision board in your hands. This gives you a tangible feeling of taking hold of your dreams, goals, and vision and empowering you to accomplish them. Step 8. Speak out loud all of the encouraging, positive, and motivational words on your vision board. Personalize those words to enforce them into your own psyche. Visualize yourself already accomplishing each dream, goal, and vision, and that you already have them. By doing so, you are creating the world that you want to live in, and you can begin living in it. That's all for now. Just follow these 8 steps to creating your own vision board, and you will be on your way to mapping out the successful life that you dreamed of. If you're new here and this video has helped you, hit the subscribe button, like our video, or leave us a comment. Join us in our next video, where we will explore more ways to make changes in something established, especially by introducing new methods, ideas, or products to ensure no opportunity is wasted. See you soon.